Hey everyone, this is Harshvardhan Singh. Today in this video I'll show you how you can 10x your website traffic using a free SEO technique. This does not require any paid tools and this method is pretty straightforward. By the way, if you're looking to grow your website's organic traffic and could use some help, you may want to check out our done for you in-house SEO services. Just visit my website harshvardhansingh.com and hit that apply button. I'll include a link to my website in the description down below. That being said, let's dive right in. Okay, so how and where do you begin? First of all, you'll have to add your website to Google Search Console. Just look up Google Search Console on Google and click on the first link, this one. I'm assuming you already have a Google account. If not, you'll have to create one and set up Search Console. It should take a few minutes. After you're in, you'll have to add your website. I'm assuming you already have your website added to the Search Console. If not, enter your website in the URL prefix field and get it verified. It's a quick 2-minute process. Once it's done, it will say verified with a green background. If you have just added your website to Search Console, this method won't work. You will have to wait for a month and then come back to this video. Google will collect data like what queries you are showing up for, what position, and things like that. Let Google do its thing and come back when you have some data. I'm using one of my test sites. It's added and verified. As soon as you log in, you'll be taken to the overview page. Now let's head over to the performance tab. On the top, you'll see this graph. It will show you the impressions you're getting from Google. If you see a graph that is trending upwards, then your SEO efforts are paying off. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see the queries you are showing up for on Google. This is the most important area. If you scroll down a bit more, you can see my test site is showing up for 107 queries. Instead of 10, let's select 250, so everything is visible. Now you have two options. You can either note these keywords on a notepad or Word document or something like that and see if you have these keywords on the actual page that you are trying to rank. It could be anywhere, in the paragraphs or in the heading tags, it doesn't matter. You just need to sprinkle them somewhere in the content. Don't aim for the perfect 1% keyword density, just keep it natural and when in doubt, under optimize. If you don't want to write them down, you can use this little Chrome extension called Instant Data Scraper. Yeah, it looks like a Pokeball. So you click on it and it will automatically find the table on the web page and copy it to the clipboard. Just get rid of the unwanted columns, everything except the queries that is. And now let's go to ChatGPT. Alright, you made it this far. The next step is to give ChatGPT a prompt. You can obviously create your own, it doesn't matter. Let's do something like, here is a list of queries that I'm getting impressions for from Google. Go through the list of queries and give me unique keyword ideas. Do not repeat keywords. The idea is to write separate blog posts for the keywords and enforce topical authority. I just made it up on the spot. Like I said before, you can model my prompt and create your own or copy it. It works either way. Now paste your keywords and let ChatGPT do its thing. We are not creating keywords in our mind, but rather getting the data from Google and using it to optimize our website. This is anything but guesswork. Once you have the keywords back, you can either write the content manually or ask ChatGPT to write you 1,000 word articles on the topics. Get the articles published, and over time, your topical authority should improve. And if you're ranking for something on the second page, you should move to the first page. You will get 10x more traffic for the queries. Something that's ranking on the top or the bottom of the first page will get 5 to 10x more traffic than something that's on the second page. If you're ranking on the bottom of the first page, this should help you move closer to the top of the first page without any backlinks. And this will essentially 10x your traffic for these search terms because of the increased exposure. And yeah, that brings us to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It will be much appreciated. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.